Okay, now of course for this instrument to be a horizontal situation indicator, it obviously needs to show our horizontal situation. So in order for that to happen, we obviously need these motors to move in accordance to our position. And this really is the cool sort of part of the video really. Everything you can see here moves, all the motors, with the exception of the compass card here. This is not a fault or due to laziness. This is because this HSI is a TACAN military HSI instrument, and the compass card does not actually move at all. As you can see, it's perfectly fixated on north, and all heading references are taken in reference to north. So right now I'm going to turn the power on, and you should see the motors begin to move. Also, just before I turn the power on, just to say, when I start the SIOC software, which will get the motors turning, the instrument will temporarily turn off the outputs, such as the illumination here. The flags will ping back to normal. This is because when you start SIOC, it actually resets the output. So don't worry, I'll turn the outputs immediately back on. You'll just see a black flash for about a few seconds. So here goes. Okay, as you can see, we now have the power turned on and the motors are moving fairly quickly. As you saw the black flash probably then, I've turned the outputs immediately back on. Things to note are the glide slope indicator here, which is slowly moving upwards, and it's now out of view. That would be when you're so far below the glide slope it just wouldn't register, or either that or you don't have a glide slope signal. Also to note is the course indicator up here is moving in accordance to that. As we hit north, that's just gone through north. The glide slope indicator moving back down. This is a random test script, please note. It just moves the motors. It does not move them in accordance to Flight Simulator. I don't have Flight Simulator started at the moment, so I can't do that at the moment. So yeah, as we approach a heading of 180 degrees, you'll see this course indicator there. See, it's all the time. This is representing that pointer there, and it really is quite stunning, really, to see a true analog digital display. Analog digital, sorry, I mean analog digit display like that. Also to note is the localizer deviation bar. Now this moves in accordance to your position. As you can see, it just moved there to the VOR station. Again, this is fully interfaceable with Flight Simulator, and it works perfectly. The other two motors are the bugs here. There's a green bug here, and it's identical reciprocal bug there. The two green bugs are on the same shaft, and same for the two white bugs and its reciprocal one there. They just move in accordance to each other.